All right, so I think it's time for us to wrap up. So, OhHeyMatty, where can people learn more about you?
Yeah, so I mean, I've pulled back a lot from the content creation space in a humbling way, I suppose. I have my Telegram channel still, the one rebooted post hack. You can check that out on it's OhHeyMatty. Just look for it. There is some fake ones. Go to my YouTube channel, OhHeyMatty. All my links are in all my descriptions in the link below. Catch me on Telegram, all that stuff. But I may be making a return. I know I said that last time I was on your channel, Ian, but I'm working with my editor to set up a studio in the office. So I guess that's bullish news that we're making concrete changes here to return to the YouTube space. But if I return or when I return, it's going to be in a way that we're shooting upwards, not just stagnating. So we're doing serious things over here. But I am extremely busy with the TDeFi Accelerator, with the Magnus Advisory Board, and with my own company, OhHeyMatty Consulting. So it's a lot to.
Now, where can people learn more about that DeFi Accelerator?
Yeah, so you can go to TradeDog.io/TDeFi, I believe. And
Trade.io?
Yeah, let me just bring it up so I have the right. So it's TradeDog.io/TDeFi. And you'll be able to see the alpha version of the TDeFi Accelerator with some of the mentors that are on there. It's similar to like a Y Combinator type structure. But yeah, that's pretty cool.
All right, awesome. And then Coach K?
Yeah, you can find me on Twitter at Coach K Crypto. It's the same on Telegram. I have the same handle, so if you ever want to hit me up, I do answer sometimes. So I try to give to everybody. I'm too nice, I guess, in that way. But yeah, YouTube, Coach K. You can find me on there. Just look up Coach K Crypto. You'll find my channel. And yeah, I try to do funny content as well as very serious. I try to put some jokes in there. So if you like to laugh, definitely come and watch. And you know, I do TA. And I review projects that no one's ever heard about yet. And I think that's something in the space that I'll leave with, is that the projects now that you hear about, you're too late. You need to actually go and do the research and treat it like an angel investor or a VC like yourself, because you're going to hear about it. And when everyone tells me about it, it's already too late. So start looking for stuff before people talk about it. Look into them and do your own research, because if you're late and it's already like all your friends already know about it or you know about it, you're probably too late. So start trying to do a little bit more if you want to get into these private sales and these new projects, because it's very competitive because of these low market caps. So if that's my advice for people that are looking to find some new gems, you're going to have to do a lot of that on your own, or follow people like the four of us in here who actually do those bits of research and try to get people onto those projects. But yeah, thank you, Ian, for having me on here. And it's been really awesome.
And then Bill, where can people learn more about you?
Well, crypto_noble on Twitter if you want to see some seriously old school charting with a pencil, right? And then tokenmetrics.com, right, where you know, my colleagues are Ian and his AI, right? So that's where you can find me.
I'm going to start calling you Bill Williams. No, sure. I look at that as an honorable compliment, but some may disagree.
Thank you.
And
Later, man.
All right, awesome. Yeah, and I'm at Diary of a Made Man on Twitter, everywhere. Then tokenmetrics.com, also on Telegram at Tokenmetrics alerts, discussions. And yeah, I mean, great panel, great discussions, awesome way to kind of wrap up the weekend. Thank you all for being here. It's a pleasure, and let's plan to have this again. All right, so as we like to end, the moon is not the limit, to the moon and beyond. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Crypto family.
Yep. Gentlemen, thank you.
And smash the like buttons.
Thank you very much, everybody.